Hello everyone, this is my review of this cordless vacuum cleaner. It's rechargeable and comes with multiple attachments. You get your crevice nozzle, your 2-in-1 brush, your electric floor brush, your main engine. You have a wall mount so you can mount it to the wall, your power adapter, and your foldable extension. You can use all the attachments on the main engine while using the foldable extension. It doesn't use any bags, so it's easy to break down, clean, and dump the dust out and clean the filter that's in there. It's just a one button push and you turn it on. You can also change the speeds. You also have a floor light that's on the electric floor scrubber, so that comes on automatically when you turn it on. And you just press the button over here to change your speeds as you need it. It's pretty lightweight, so you can operate easy to get cobwebs out the corner of your house. I hope this